Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQ in depth. Our initial report was released on our website on Friday, the 7th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 28, 2025, our system has ranked QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.07. Now let's examine the performance of the ETF during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 0.16%. This equates to an average return of 0.02% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further rise within this trend is anticipated. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 2.74% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 0.1% to 7.47%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 22.11% over the next year, with a potential return between 13.36% and 29.1%. This corresponds to a price range of $592.45 to $674.27 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline: QQQ ETF price ended at $522.65 on Friday after losing 1.31%. The QQQ ETF price fell by 1.31% on the last day, Friday, the 7th of February, 2025, from $529.60 to $522.65. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.90%, with a low of $522.19 and a high of $532.10. The price has been volatile during this period, resulting in a loss of 1.32% over the past 2 weeks. The volume increased on the last day by 9 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 28 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $14.62 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $539.15, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price is 3.06% or $16.50 below the 52-week high of $539.15, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the QQQ exchange-traded fund reflect a significant bullish sentiment in the technology sector and could drive stock prices upward in both the short and long term. Notably, spending on artificial intelligence is anticipated to ramp up this year, fostering optimism among investors, despite mixed messages from major players like Alphabet regarding their cloud business. In January alone, exchange-traded funds attracted over $100 billion in net inflows, highlighting the market's favorable outlook and investors' growing confidence. Additionally, investment firm Juniper Hill Capital increased its QQQ holdings by nearly 300%, underscoring a strategic shift toward technology as a strong performer in 2025. This move positions QQQ as an exchange-traded fund that captures major growth potential in the technology landscape. Furthermore, the technology sector consistently drives market performance, encouraging investor interest. With the recent influx of cash and focused investments in leading technology stocks, QQQ could experience upward pressure, propelling its price higher. In the longer term, if the trend of increasing spending on artificial intelligence materializes and technology stocks continue their strong performance, QQQ's valuation is likely to reflect this potential growth, attracting even more investors looking for exposure to the booming technology market. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF, indicating a positive forecast. If the ETF continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $523.86. Conversely, if it declines, the ETF will find some support from the long-term average at around $520.36. A breakout through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will prompt a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 23, 2025, and so far, it has decreased by 1.88%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 13 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average has a sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 104 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $521.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered quite low. Over the last day, the ETF experienced a movement of $9.91 between its high and low, which is approximately 1.90%. For the past week, the ETF has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 1.43%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either low expectations for the company's future or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued. This could suggest a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $524.54. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ finds its first support level at $521.74. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $505.31, representing a decline of 3.32%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which contributes to its minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is QQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the short term. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 10th of February, we anticipate QQQ to open up $3 and begin trading at $525.65. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.